Hello. So in this video, we'll be learning how to create a simple game using PyGames. And we're going to create alien invasion. So to begin, we need to see if we have pip installed. So it'd be easier for us to download other stuff. So how do we check that? So easiest way to check it is to go into your terminal and write pip -- version and check with response. If it says pip and numbers, then you have it. But nonetheless, you are able to update it or install it by writing install pip or pip install, depending on which computer you have. You can search it up through Google. And what do you need to start this game? So for the first part, we will need to install or install PyGame. How do we do that? You write pip install PyGames in your terminal, which I have already done that, so I'm able to import it into the file. You can see, put into a file. There is no errors. Once again, okay. So as you can see, it shows up. And import sys. I will talk about this later in the video or in next sections of it. So we have wrote import sys, import PyGames, naming our file name as alien invasion. So to understand, if we get out of this file, which one we are using to create the game, and we initialize the game and create a screen object. How do we do that? We do that by PyGame. So right, oh, there was something that I have missed. Define variable on game, and within we initialize the game and create a screen. Right. PyGame dot display set no dot set. Let's go with okay. We'll have it as 400 right and 100 1014 100 and 800. I believe we need to double brackets and then we display it. Display set So we need to create a loop that will have the screen open throughout the whole game. And when the user presses X, it shuts down. While true for PyGame get type PyGame and sys.exit. Okay, and then we make the most recently drawn screen invisible. By display. Run it and see if it runs. If not, need to check the code. As you could see, oh no, you can't. Oh, let me do it this way. So yes, so I believe you could see this now. As you could see, we have the whole screen, big screen. I believe we could make it a bit smaller. We have the name Alien Invasion. This is the PyGame's own default icon. We're able to change it, but for now, this is good. Let's make the screen size a little bit smaller. Let's do it 100. Let's keep it at 800 and run it. Okay, all right. I believe this is good. And this is the first part of creating PyGame Alien Invasion. See you in the next chapter or the video.